Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn some sea animals' name. The first one is a puffer fish. This is a puffer fish. A puffer fish. The next animal is a shark. This is a shark. The next animal is a puffer fish. This is a little puffer fish. Seahorse. This is a seahorse. The next animal is a whale. This is a whale fish. Orange fish. This is orange fish. A turtle. This is a turtle. A pink fish. This is a pink fish. A green little puffer fish. Clownfish. This is a clownfish. A crab. This is a crab. A starfish. This is a starfish. Manta ray. This is manta ray. Penguin. This is penguin.